Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to take a quick second and tell you how impressed I am with the Key Credit so far. My name's Scott Beal. I just started about a month ago. Everybody's been super nice. The staff is great. Prices are great. Um, I just can't explain enough how personable the staff is. Everybody I've talked to, um, they want you to succeed. They want to make your credit better. Genuinely want to make your credit better, and they're personable. I talk to them like they're my friends. I text them back and forth just to see, how things are going. So I mean, the whole experience so far has been awesome. I just want to let you guys know that, and I'm very pleased, and I can't wait to see what happens moving forward. Thanks.